I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone.
Hello and welcome everyone. My name is Sarika Devu Pawar, ZP Primary School, Varavde Hiwalbadi, Taluka Kankoli. And today in the project Let's Learn English, I am presenting a lesson articles. Articles A and the. Let's read some examples. A boy, a banana, a dog, an apple, an aeroplane, an eagle. We use article a before a word begins with consonant sound. So here we said a boy, a banana, a dog. And we use article an before a word that begins with a vowel sound. So here we said an apple, an aeroplane, an eagle. So let us know which are vowels and consonants. See here, these are vowels A, E, I, O, U. And we see here the other 21 letters of alphabet are consonant. Now see all these pictures. Every word starts with vowel sound A, E, I, O, U. So which article comes? An egg, an engine, an elephant, an umpire, an umbrella, etc. Here every word begins with consonant. So which article comes? A. A lick, a yacht, a house, a sheep, a chocolate. Let us see some another examples. An hour, an honor, an honest person. These words begin with H. H is consonant, but it sounds like vowel sound, and so we use article an. Now in these words, a uniform, a university, first letter is U. U is vowel, but it doesn't sound like vowel sound. It sounds like Y. Y is consonant. And so we say a uniform, a university. The indefinite article a or an is used to talk about thing, person, jobs, place in general, not particular. Article a or an is used to introduce a singular noun, means only one thing. So, a flower is correct. A flowers is wrong. We use article a or an with fractions and numbers. A million, 100, 2.5, etc. We also use a or an to mean each in measurements. John go to church once a week. We don't use a or an before uncountable nouns and plural nouns. So, I listen to music is correct, but I listen to a music is wrong. Another example, these are mangoes is correct. These are a mangoes is wrong. We use the article the when we are speaking about a particular person, place, animal or thing. For example, the broken window, the country I visited, the story of the rabbits. For example, this is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. We use the article a or an when we speak about something for the first time. When we speak about it again, we use the. We use article the before ordinal numbers and superlative. Peter is the youngest in the class. Kitchen is on the first floor. We use article the when we talk about musical instruments and before geographical features such as mountain ranges, islands and rivers. We also use the for titles of newspapers and famous buildings. For example, the Ganga, the sun, the earth, the Gita, the India Gate, the Himalayas. We also use article the before plural words. For examples, the vegetables, the books, etc. Let us read a story and mark the articles. It was a sunny day. Chicky Chick was resting under an apple tree. An apple fell on his head. Chicky Chick cried out and started to run. An owl saw him. He asked, "Why are you running?" "The sky is falling," said Chicky Chick. Soon an elephant, a lion, a tiger, an ant, and emu were running for their lives. Thank you very much MSPTC Kankavli team who have given me an opportunity to participate in this initiative.